Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove the speedometer of the EK Honda Civic. So you have those two screws here and here. You unbolt them and then you need to lower the steering wheel and you just pull the trim, see, gently, still caught here. Okay. After you remove the trim, you have 4 bolts. So you have this bolt, and you have another 2 here. You can see this bolt and on the other side. After you removed all the bolts, you just wiggle it a bit around and you see you have 3 looms that are connected. So how to remove the loom is you press hard here and pull it off. Here, pull it. You heard the click. This is the click that you need to hear before you pull it off. And in the green one, you press here, and that's it. And now the speedometer is off, and you can see the loom and the assemble is the same, only backwards. Thank you guys. If the video helped you, please give a like. If you need more parts from this Honda Civic EK, the email to our store is in the description below. You are more than welcome to contact us.